Good day, everyone! Welcome to the second episode of this special segment, Tuesdays with Momshie Roxan. This is Season 1, Basic English Grammar. In the previous episode, I discussed the tricky subject-verb agreement rules. I gave you examples as well as exercises. Today, we are going to focus on prepositions. Don't you know that one of the errors of second language learners in writing is the use of prepositions? I myself encounter this problem whenever I write. I have to decide which is the right preposition to use in a certain statement. Today, let us review the use of prepositions. But first, what is a preposition? Preposition is a word that links or shows the relation of noun or pronoun to some other words in the sentence. When you were in grade school, the prepositions that were taught to you by your teachers were on, under, over, in front of, behind, next to. Well, it was easy back then, right? Oh, wait. There's more. Do you see these prepositions? Where are you able to use these prepositions in your writing? This is a list of common prepositions in English, although there are still some prepositions that are not written here. The question is, what makes the use of preposition tricky? Like in these cases, in versus at. With in and at, the correct term may depend on the time of the day. For example, in English, we use in the with morning, afternoon, and evening, but we usually use at when talking about the night. The athletes go running in the morning. Mr. Thomas goes running in the afternoon. The soldier goes running in the evening. Who would like to go running at night? In and at versus to. Use the preposition to discuss journeys, like I am going to South Korea. With the word arrive, we use in or at to describe reaching a destination. For example, she arrived in South Korea yesterday. He arrived at the restaurant early. Well, the use of in and at may depend on the destination. Use in for cities, countries, or other large areas, and at for specific places. Do you want some more examples? Okay, let's try this. At, on, and in. When referring to a time or date, we use different prepositions depending on the situation. If you're talking about a time of the day, the correct term is at. For example, Tuesdays with Momshie Roxan starts at 8 p.m. For specific day or date, use on. The examination will be on Tuesday. For a month or year, use in. See you in December. If you're interested in basic English grammar, major subjects in English, technical writing, and effective writing, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested in webinars, professional development, and others, please follow this Facebook page. If you're watching me in YouTube, please click the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next episode. Goodbye!